Hello, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the 1930 Ford Model A Coupe from Revell. So let's get started. Alright, I'm going to start with the body here. Comes in two pieces because I think you can make a convertible or a coupe. There's your body part. It's a chopped roof. Just kind of sits on there like that. If I can get in there. There you go. My plan for this is to make John Milner's Yellow Deuce Coupe from American Graffiti, but I have to really look into it and see what all I've got to change, because I know just building it straight up isn't gonna look correct. So I'll need to add some stuff. Here's a chrome tree, headlight bucket, steering wheel. Looks like some standard hubcaps. There's another chrome tree with the suspension, your front leaf springs there. And then you got two different grills here, and then a dash panel, that windshield trim. Here's another chrome tree. It's got an oil pan. This is going to be all your souped up engine parts, basically, from what it looks like. Glass. I'm not going to take it out of there, but there's the glass. Standard tires. Two skins in the front, two bigger ones in the back, two axle pins. Differential. There's your floor pan. So top insert there, a fuel cell, Steelies. Those look like brake drums, probably. These are the back part of the brake drum. Yeah, so because there's wheel cylinders there, so that's kind of cool. Interior pieces, seat, firewall, radiator looks like. Here's, I don't know, probably gutted inside of the door, I would guess. I'm not 100% sure on that. I haven't really looked at the instructions. Some racing seats there. It's a V8. Looks like a small block, probably. So it doesn't look like you get a, your standard inline. I guess it'd have been a 4-cylinder in that from the factory. There's one frame, two frames. Oh, those look exactly the same, don't they? They've got the same number on them. And then I got two of these as well. Well, these might look a little different though. Yeah, these are different. But these look to be the same as far as I can tell. The numbers are all the same. The numbers here are the same. So, I may have got an extra frame. I don't know if they're all like that, but never know. And then got the decals here. Pretty neat stuff right there. And then the instruction sheet. That's just pretty kind of self-explanatory, I guess. Just you can see it here. you know, it's got a listing of what all the parts are, which is always cool. Number call out. So yeah, looks pretty cool. So anyways, there's the 1930 Revell, and I'll probably be starting on this sometime soon, I believe. So thank you all for watching, and have a good day.